What's up, end user of whatever social media site this ends up on? I'm Justo Bradiano, and it's been a minute, but I'm back with Legacy Transformer Galvatron, and I was super psyched to find this at Target. I don't keep up much on the release schedule of Transformers. I just know when they release one I like and I find it, I buy it. Hence, we're going to open this up. I got my Saber of Kirkendall. We're gonna rip into this and see what it looks like. Pretty excited. Comes with the Matrix of Leadership, which Galvatron tried to wield against Unicron in the critically acclaimed Transformers animated movie. I love that movie. Galvatron was created after Megatron's defeat at the hands of Optimus Prime, even though he destroyed Optimus Prime, making me and all the other kids cry. Go pull this out. There he is. They always find the best ways to keep them prisoned in their cardboard. Here's the little Matrix of Leadership. Even on a chain, you can wear it around his neck. Galvatron, at least in the movie, was voiced by Leonard Nimoy of Star Trek Spock fame. Anyways, Galvatron was Megatron, who got sucked up by Unicron and re-empowered to do his bidding. Unicron was voiced by Orson Welles. I believe that was his last role before his death. Trivia. A little bit tougher to see me undoing all the little ties here. Not really going to care as they fall all over the ground and probably get stuck to my feet because I'll forget to pick up at least one. Don't worry, we're getting there. I might edit through this. Come on. I'd sooner they be these little recyclable paper ties than all the little plastic that you need scissors to get in after. I am okay with this. And we're still working on it. Anyways, yeah, it has been a while since I posted on any social media, really. I had moved, I got a new job, another new job, which I'm liking very much, and I got an apartment. This is mine. At least this is the apartment I am renting. I'm here by myself, and that's going swimmingly. Did I get them all? Nope, still one more. It was a conscious effort to wear a Transformers themed t-shirt. Didn't happen by accident. Alright, so here we go. Got Galvatron. And he turns into a cannon. I'm sure there's a more colorful name for whatever cannon he does turn into. Okay, Galvatron. To frame this. Well, they don't call it anything. No, it's just Galvatron, and he turns into a cannon. And the barrel of the cannon can also wield the Matrix of Leadership, if you see right there, because that's important. I gotta say, I was wondering why they didn't have a window on the box. I don't have a window on the box of a lot of the Transformers Legacy line, as I saw, but it's a step down from the movie remakes. He's kind of chunky, which is totally fine and better for younger kids to play with. But don't tell anybody. But I'm 40, and I could go for a little bit more detail on my Galvatron, Hasbro. Okay, so after transforming him, I do kind of get why he had such a bulky frame to that boy, because, well, he's turning into a cannon. And he looks pretty cool at that. I think the robot mode pales in comparison to what he looks like transformed. I'm very happy with this transformer, as nobody should care about that. Have a great day.